Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to make your account private. Yes. Now let's see how to change to your account in private. First of all, click Instagram. In Instagram, you can see the your page is tab. Go to your page, click it, and here you can see the topmost right corner 3-line icon is that. Click it, this one, click it, and you can see the bottom side setting option is that. Click the setting option. Once you click this menu will be appear like this, and you can see the privacy setting is that. The third option, privacy setting, is that. Click it, and here you can see the connections. In these connections, account privacy is there. Click the account privacy. You can see now it's in public. Click it. Once you click this, you can see you want to enable this account privacy to private. Yes, enable this option. Once you click this pop-up menu will be appear like this. Change to private account. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos and stories on Instagram. Your existing followers will not be affected. Yes, click OK. Once you click this will be in private, and you can see your account will be in private. So this is how to make Instagram account in private. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube.